Hey Bob, it's Joey. Can't believe this day is actually here. I'm super excited. I've definitely found the right girl for the rest of my life. I'm so excited to marry you. I just can't wait till 5 o'clock. I love you so much. Goodbye.
Hi Bob, it's me. Just wanted to let you know that I love you so much and I can't wait to see you. Can't wait to marry you. Oh my gosh, I'm already crying. You're the man of my dreams and I couldn't ask for someone better to be by my side as we take on life. I love you. See you soon.
Dear Juliet, I heard the story of you and your friend, and I hate to bore you, but oh, it's something beautiful. Dear Romeo, I think I found one of them girls from your paper town, and no, she's something beautiful. Never thought I'd fall, but she caught me. 'Cause fairy tales start when two hearts meet. It don't
Wow.
matter where you're from, girl, I think that you're the
Beautiful.
one. So let's take this
Very
love
nice.
and run and
Joey's a lucky man.
Love you, Dad.
Love you, sweetie.
I could dance with you every night, hold you till our fingers intertwine. My love, this is the start of something beautiful. Dear Peter Pan, can lost boys ever be found again? 'Cause sir, I think I found a home with something beautiful. Dear Mom and Dad, I bought the ring, now I'm gonna ask her to marry me, and oh, it's gonna be something beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I could dance with you every night, hold you till our fingers intertwine. My love, this is the start of something beautiful. Now, all the stories that I've read about are happening like gravity. I found my love, this is the start of something beautiful.
I can honestly say I've loved doing life with you by my side. Kaylee, you may hold many titles, from a best friend to a sister, a daughter, a granddaughter, and even an auntie. But my favorite title of yours has been watching you become a wife.
And Kaylee, you've been his rock at times when he's been going through wearing button downs, going to UBS for about 6 months, I think, max. But one thing he's always had is a lot of passion, and but he's always been passionate about you, and he's never once floundered on that.